You wake up to light.
It always finds you across tall windows and rooms that feel alive. You step out, get a quick game. It's the perfect morning. Even the water feels warmed by the sun, like everything else here. Breakfast takes its time. There's air, there's light, and it's always cool. Laughter is deeper. Conversations are longer. Life feels limitless. You take the meeting outside while they have their own meeting. You stop at the clubhouse. Slow down, catch a show, and pick your favorite snack. Evenings don't need a plan, they just happen. Every moment turns into a memory, just like every raindrop turns into value. And the best part? It's all in the heart of Sarjapur. The city's next door, but you're in a different world. A world inspired by a rainforest that's 180 million years old. It's more than a villa. It's a way of life that feels natural. Urban Rainforest Villas, right here in Sarjapur, Daintree by Manna.